Porchester Castle, England, UK. From the car park, there are toilets, and you have to walk all the way around the outside of the walls to enter the castle. You need to pay for parking and then continue walk around. The scenery is really nice, and as you can see, it's raining, so the floor is quite wet. There are sections that you have to jump over, and all of this area is free because it's on the outside. Walk all the way through this gate, and on your left, you can actually see a church. Within this church, there is a lovely cafe with some nice ice cream. Walk all the way to the castle. You are also allowed to bring your pets along. You need to cross the bridge and enter the section to pay for your tickets. You can also buy souvenirs. Be aware that in here there is no signal. With your tickets, you are allowed a free audio guide so you can walk around and listen to all the castle history. The door to enter is also very heavy, so be a bit careful. So right now we're going to look at all this outside area before we go to the indoor tower section, which I was very surprised at how large and how much you can actually see in there. That's all of the outside section, and now we are heading inside the tower. At the very beginning, there's a theatre stage and some photo opportunities. Around the corner, there's a little hidden museum. On the table, you got the same information but printed out large for any disabilities and a guest book. Next to the theatre section, there are lots of costumes that you can wear, however they may not be clean. If you decide to dress up, you can walk onto the theatre and take some more photo opportunities. On the left-hand side of this, we've got the stairs that goes all the way up. It's not a very nice stairs though. The entire tower has many flights of stairs, and it's got lots of information and history. The very last room is about what happened to the black prisoners. So they've got this statue in the middle, a little bit of information on the walls, and then go up these stairs to the very top. Overall, I actually really enjoyed this visit. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!